Sheldon Needle speaking to you today about shop floor control. All job shops have to deal with shop floor control. Routing that goes right from the quote to the ultimate inventory and everything that has to do with work in process. Let's look at some of the typical symptoms of a problem with shop floor control. One is that the manufacturing cycle time has increased, and there's a greater work in process, and throughput is slowed down. Next, that there's a need for constantly prioritizing or expediting work orders on the factory floor. Thirdly, if you're having difficult capturing material and labor costs at an appropriate level. Fourth, that you have increased waste and unallocated labor or setup time. Finally, a lack of understanding of your plant's true capacity for determining when you can promise orders to customers. Now, most companies get their shop floor control application when they purchase their ERP system. The applications associated with shop floor are bills of materials, inventory, purchasing, scheduling, and capacity planning. These are the key core modules. They are tightly integrated to form the manufacturing portion of an ERP package. If one is having a problem with their shop floor control, it's definitely worth trying to fix the system than to replace it. So let's look at one of the reasons you might be having trouble with shop floor control. Essentially, it's the underlying database is the foundation for the ERP and shop floor control system. It has to be complete and accurate. Slight variations in accuracy can cause significant differences in your ability to perform the work and to keep control over your operation. Here are some of the potential issues in utilizing your shop floor application. First, you have to be sure you've got a properly indented bill of materials with all assemblies clearly visible. Secondly, make sure the routings are accurate and are matched to the indented bill of material. Third, work centers on the work order must be carefully defined, showing all associated applications and cost data for labor, materials, and overhead. Purchasing needs to define order policies pertaining to each inventory part, such as safety, stock, and inventory levels. And inventory must be accurate with a locator file directing personnel to stored locations. If any of these issues are out of kilter or are not properly maintained, it will show up as a problem in your shop floor control system. So it makes sense to look at what some of the underlying problems might be, internal problems might be, before you decide your shop floor control system is no good and you need to get a new one. That's our talk for today. Thanks for listening.